the honest, drop the whole 50, that's a cold turkey. All my bitches worthy, pulling up this derby. We be smoking 30s, we be low 30s. In the rain, call it space jam. Back then, I ain't.
Hi you guys, I am back with another video, and this is a little different. A few months back, like probably in the summer actually of 2017, I did tell my following on my personal page, Live as a Queen, that I was going to start like a talk thing with my channel. And I've been getting emails and receiving emails that I haven't opened. And I told people on my Instagram to like put in the subject like you can read on YouTube. So then I wouldn't open those until I was in front of the camera. And then the people who didn't want me to read it, you know, on the channel for you guys, I responded back to them via email. But yeah, this is Who Got Tea. I do, but this is water in my cup. Look at that. That is super cute. My little lip print. But yeah, this is just something small. I actually got this idea from Nene Tanae. She's a YouTuber too. I love her to death. I will link her channel in the description box below. But yeah, mine is Who Got Tea. So let's see the first thing. Let me go to my email. So again, I haven't read this, and this was like a couple of months when this person sent me this. And in the subject, it says you can read on YouTube. So if you do send me anything and you want me to read it on YouTube or share my opinions privately with you, just post that in the subject. So I wouldn't even open it until I'm on camera, or if you just want me to share my opinion privately, then I'll just open it and respond back to you. The email address is liveasaqueen1@gmail.com. So let's go. All right, here it goes. So it says, "Hey Chrissy, I'm writing you because I want your opinion. I hope you don't judge me nor any of your subscribers, as I wouldn't mind if you voiced your opinion on your channel. I really admire your strength and energy." I just had to add that. Laugh out loud. Thanks, boo. And then it says, so here it is. "I've been married for 4 years to my high school sweetheart, and it just isn't the same. He has stepped out on me multiple times with multiple women," and she capitalized that, multiple women. "At first I thought it was me, like I wasn't doing something right, but then I started analyzing the women. Some were super skinny like little boys, super big, not fat but not thick either. Okay. Some were even hideous, and I don't mind giving another woman a compliment, but they were ugly. So I fell out of love with him, and to the point I didn't even want him to touch me. So I went to North Carolina to visit my family after having our daughter, and I ran into my first love at the mall. It was like I was hit with every feeling that I ever felt for him during our short conversation. Uh-oh. Fast forward 3 days later, he wrote me on IG and asked if we could meet for dinner. I agreed to do so. Long story short, I just found out I am 6 weeks pregnant, and I don't know who the father is. I only say this because I felt so horrible about having sex with another man that when I came back to Georgia, I literally hopped on my husband every night. I just don't know what to do. Should I tell my husband? Should I tell my first love? Or should I just wait it out? Love always." Okay, that's interesting. You guys know I'm all for marriage. However, I mean, she did state that her husband cheated on her multiple times. But stepping out on him, like, was you drunk? Like, did you use a condom? Like, why do you feel like the baby is your ex? Why do you feel that way? Like, you left a lot of stuff out. A lot of stuff that really doesn't matter, but now I'm like, so why do you feel like the baby is his? Well, obviously because you had sex with him, regardless if you did use a condom or not. However, I just feel like, I mean, the right thing to do would be to tell your husband. I don't know, you know, I don't know who you are, and I definitely don't know your husband, but just honestly, just like the right thing to do would be to tell him. Even with everything that he has done for you, he can obviously be upset and leave you, excuse me, be upset and leave you, or he can work through it just like he worked through, or you worked through all of his episodes. I don't know. That's kind of hard though, because a baby is in the mix. I gotta drink my water to that. That's really hard because the baby is in a mix. And then what if the baby is the other guy's? Like, I think you said you've been married, you married your high school sweetheart. So I'm guessing you around my age, like 20s, mid 20s, late 20s. I really don't know. But I mean, I feel like as humans, we think, you know, we're not perfect. I mean, obviously that's something that you can obviously not do. That's something that you don't have to like do. You didn't have to do, but that is deep. Like, I am lost because I really don't know. If it was me, I would tell my husband, because I feel like if I cheated, if you cheated on me multiple thousands and thousands of times, and I stepped out one time, regardless of who it was and why I did it, I mean, that's either gonna make or break us, you know. And that shows a lot about a person, like, to say like, okay, when you down, I can pick you up, and even when you're hurting me, I can still pick you up and still love on you, you know, and still be there. But then when I'm down and I need to pick me up, you can't be there for me. I feel like that says a lot about a spouse, whether it's male or female. And I mean, that's deep. That's hard. And it's most likely going to be hard on your husband, because I just feel like, personally, I think that women are more, you guys can hear my son's coughing in the background, but personally, I feel women are more like, they're emotionally stronger than men. Men have that like physical strength. However, like, yeah, we might cry, we might get emotional about things, but we can take a lot of things and look past it. Even like she said, I fell out of love with him. She could have, I mean, she was still with him, so she saw something there that could be, you know, rejuvenated. But for men, I feel like men get that one little heartbreak and that one little backstab, and then they just like, no, this, that, no, I can't deal with her no more, or she did this to me, not realizing how much pain that she endured because of you. She said cheated on with multiple women. Okay, she fucked up. She really did. She messed up. But that's one guy. And I mean, it is a baby and it makes in it now. But what if the baby not his? So you living with that on your conscience, saying, you know, well, even if you don't tell your husband or the other guy, when the baby come out, how you gonna find out? Are you ever gonna try to take a DNA? Well, what are you gonna do? Because, I mean, that's a lot. I don't know. And if you guys comment on this video in the comment section, please don't be demeaning, because you will get blocked. Your comment will be deleted and you will get blocked. But, I mean, she's coming with advice, and obviously we really want true advice. We don't need anyone bashing anyone, because we all are human. We all made mistakes, and the Bible says no sin is greater than the next. So with that being said, if you stole that 35-cent pack of gum, you can't throw stones at someone for cheating on a husband or cheating on a wife. That's mighty. But yeah, I'm lost for words. Whoever you are, my opinion would to obviously sit down with your husband. And if you need a mediator, or even like, I don't know if you believe in God, or, you know, you guys go to church, but if that's the step you need to take, then definitely take it. Because I feel like I mean, if you guys do work past this, then it would be better for your marriage than to be high in a secret for Lord knows how long, you know, how long you can hide that secret. But yeah, I would definitely sit down and talk with my husband, or, you know, find out a way to tell him or hint to him or something. I don't know. This is really hard. I need to drink my tea, my water. But all the viewers who are watching, please, if you have an opinion, please, or a suggestion, please leave your comments in the comment section below. If you have not already, follow me on all my social medias. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? If you would like me to give you some advice, please, again, the email is liveasaqueen1@gmail.com. It can be anonymous. I can know you, and you just, if you want me to say your name, I can do that. But if you want me to do it on, like, read it, recording, please put in a subject, approved to be on channel or something like that. Something where I can know that, okay, I can read this when I'm filming, instead of reading it, then responding back, and then, you know, up in the video when I already done shared my opinion or thought about the situation. I don't want that. I think that's cheating. But yeah, this is a hard one. This is a hard one. But yeah, you guys share your opinions and your suggestions in the comment section below. Make sure you follow me on all my social media outlets, and subscribe. Hit that little bell button on the side so you can get a notification every time I upload. I'll see you guys in my next video.